Hello everyone, hope you're good. Alright, so today I'll make a simple video. Last time I did a shorts, and on that short I was talking about an expression in phone language. So you all know that this channel is about how to speak phone language. I mean phone language versus English language. So that's what this channel is about. Alright, so last time I was talking about, on my shorts, I was talking about an expression which is wafi, and in English is come here. And someone was asking me in the comments how to say music in phone language. So music is simple, you say, uh-huh. For example, I want to sing, you say, njaji, uh-huh. Njaji, I want to sing. And this music is good. For example, you say, enyo, nyo. So, is for music and also for song. Or, yeah, is for song and music, both. So, that's it. And today I'm going to talk about another expression. As I told you, this video is not a short; it's a simple video that I'll put online, and we'll talk about animals today, and I'll give you the name of two animals in phone language, and I'll give you the meaning. The the way you pronounce it in English language. I'll give you the names in phone and in English. All right, so the first one is awi, awi. So repeat, awi, awi. You say and we, and awi in English is cat. You know the cat. So awi is cat. And the second animal is chuku, chu, chu. You say chu, and after you say ku, chu, chu. So repeat chuku, and chuku in English is dog, dog. So dog in foreign language is chuku. So thank you very much, and see you next time for more expressions. See you next time for for more expressions in foreign language. And don't forget to like and join my channel. Thank you.